So, boys and girls, I want you to go to your refrigerators with your mommies and daddies and look inside and see if you can find any fruits and vegetables. So, Miss P looked in her refrigerator and I found all these things. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 things and they are all fruits. This one's yellow. This is a lemon. So I have lemon, 1 lemon. I have a green apple. Green apples are good for baking. Maybe I could make an apple pie. That's an idea. Oranges. This is actually a tangerine. It's a lot smaller than an orange. Sliced peaches in a fruit cup. And I have dates. This is good. So these are the fruits I have in my refrigerator. You could take pictures of what you have in your refrigerator with the help of your mommies and daddies, or you can draw a picture of the fruits and vegetables you have. So Miss P has no vegetables in my refrigerator because Miss P has to go food shopping. Can't wait to see what's in your refrigerator.